How to control diabetes without medicine. High glucose diabetes happens when your body can't successfully transport sugar from blood into cells at the point when left unchecked. This can prompt diabetes. Diabetes is a genuinely regular way of life sickness, yet while it can't be relieved, it tends to be controlled. Diabetes arises because of strangely high glucose levels. The insulin delivered by the pancreas are in charge of keeping up glucose levels in the blood. Non-appearance or deficient generation of insulin or a failure to legitimately use insulin causes diabetes. Diabetes type. New research proposes there are a few additional kinds of diabetes, which all require diverse treatment approaches broadly. Diabetes can be separated into two kinds. Type 1 diabetes or insulin-subordinate diabetes mellitus is a condition, for the most part found in kids, where the body does not create insulin. Type 2 or non-insulin subordinate diabetes mellitus is where deficient insulin is created by the pancreas or the body gets impervious to the insulin. Enhance your diet to help you treat both type diabetes naturally. Keeping close tabs on your eating regimen is a noteworthy method to help oversee type 2 diabetes. A solid eating regimen for individuals with sort 2 diabetes incorporates new or solidified products of the soil vegetables, entire grains, beans, lean meats, and low-fat or without fat dairy. Concentrate on eating products of the soil-boring vegetables, similar to broccoli, carrots, and lettuce, also having littler parts of boring nourishment, meats, and dairy items. Type 2 diabetes is increasingly receptive to abstain from food and way of life changes, and incalculable individuals have had achievement turning around their diabetes by taking control of their eating regimen and life, regardless of whether you have type 1 diabetes, type 2 diabetes, pre-diabetes, or in the event that you can feel glucose changes around your eating designs. You'll profit by eating routine. We can control our diabetes with some food. Number 1. Control diabetes with fish. Fish is one amongst the healthiest foods for diabetes patients. Fish is additionally an excellent supply of high-quality macromolecule that helps you feeling full and increases your rate. Fish could be a nice supply of macromolecule. It's low in unhealthy fats and a decent supply of omega-3 fatty acids. Sensible choices include salmon, trout, albacore tuna, mackerel, halibut. Number 2. We can control diabetes with sour cherries. While all fruits will raise blood glucose levels, some have a lower GI score, like bitter cherries. Bitter cherries have a chemical known as anthocyanins. Studies have made experimental proof that anthocyanins might shield against polygenic disease and blubber if you're an exponent of fruits. Strive ingestion a lot of bitter cherries rather than bananas, pears, and apples. Number 3. We can control diabetes with foliaceous inexperienced vegetables. Leafy inexperienced vegetables area unit extraordinarily nutritive and low in calories. They're additionally terribly low in digestible carbs that raise your blood glucose levels. Spinach, kale and different foliaceous greens area unit sensible sources of many vitamins and minerals, as well as ascorbic acid. In one study, increasing ascorbic acid intake reduced inflammatory markers and abstinence blood glucose levels for individuals with kind 2 diabetes or high force per unit area. We can control polygenic disease with apple acetum. The carboxylic acid in apple acetum reduces bound enzymes within the abdomen. One study reportable that apple acetum will improve endocrine sensitivity once meals. Number 4. We can control diabetes with cinnamon. Cinnamon could be a delicious spice with potent inhibitor activity. Several controlled studies have shown that cinnamon will lower glucose levels and improve hypoglycemic agent sensitivity. Long-term diabetes management is usually determined by measurement HbA1c that reflects your average glucose level over 2 to 3 months. In one study, Sought a pair of polygenic disorder patients. United Nations agency took cinnamon for 90 days, had quite a double reduction in HbA1c, compared people who solely received customary care. A recent analysis of 10 studies found that cinnamon may lower cholesterol and lipid level. Number 5. We can control diabetes with chia seeds. Chia seeds are an exquisite food for individuals with diabetes. They're extraordinarily high in fiber, however low in edible carbs. The viscous fiber in chia seeds will really lower your glucose levels by retardation down there. Speed at that food moves through your gut and is absorbed. Chia seeds contain high amounts of fiber, are low in edible carbs, and will decrease pressure and inflammation. Try drinking 20 grams of apple acetum in 40 grams of water before you eat to assist cut back a spike in blood glucose. Realize an excellent choice of apple acetum here. Number 6. We can control sugar with yogurt. Eating plain yogurt daily could scale back the chance of sought a pair of polygenic disorder. Yogurt is also the sole food stuff that lowers the chance of developing the condition. They conjointly noted that alternative dairy farm products don't appear to extend a personality's risk. Researchers are still unsure why yogurt helps lower the chance of sought a pair of polygenic disorder. However, plain yogurt is mostly a low-GI food. Most sugarless yogurts have a GI score of 50 or less. Number 7. We can control diabetes with olive oil. Olive oil is very useful for heart health. It contains monounsaturated fatty acid, a sort of monounsaturated fat that has been shown to boost triglycerides and alpha-lipoprotein, which are typically at unhealthy levels in sought a pair of diabetes. Extra virgin oil contains healthy monounsaturated fatty acid. Its advantages for pressure and heart health. Extra virgin oil is unrefined and retains the antioxidants and alternative properties that create it therefore healthy. Number 8. Exercise to balance glucose. Exercise reduces chronic sickness and might facilitate reverse diabetes naturally. Studies show that exercise improves blood sugar management and might stop or delay sought a pair of diabetes, whereas conjointly absolutely touching your pressure, heart health, steroid alcohol levels and quality of life. Exercise naturally supports your metabolism by burning fat and building lean muscle. In addition to walking and stretching exercises, strive interval coaching cardio, like burst coaching, or weight coaching 3 to 5 days every week for 20 to 40 minutes. In final lines, doubtless dangerous symptoms and complications. People with diabetes might also got to take medications and live their glucose diabetes often, to scale back the danger of doubtless dangerous symptoms and complications. Speak with a doctor concerning the way to incorporate a healthful diet into a glucose care arrange. Eating an outsized meal puts a sugar load on your already troubled body. Gula causes additional injury to diabetics. A straightforward thanks to lower glucose levels naturally is to eat smaller parts. Don't worry, we have a tendency to don't seem to be attending to raise you to starve yourself. Actually, portion management comes naturally once you select the correct grains, proteins and fats. Attempt to eat moderation, to realize repletion. Eat slowly and chew your food. Therefore your brain incorporates a likelihood to allow you to understand once you're full. If you eat your food senselessly, you eat tons over you would like that stresses out the body. I hope you like my video. Please mention in comments, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.